Still using Excel for accounting? And spending hours managing invoices, payroll, and GST? What if all of this could be automated in one simple software? Managing business finances shouldn't feel confusing or stressful. But for many businesses, it still means manual errors, delayed filings, and endless spreadsheets. That's where Upkeep by Wezoid comes in. A smart finance and accounting software designed to simplify everything. Upkeep is a cloud-based platform that helps you manage accounting, billing, payroll, expenses, and taxes, all in one place. With Upkeep, you get smart stock management, update stock instantly after purchases, track levels, and automate replenishment. Instant invoicing with professional templates and automated payment reminders. Easy bank reconciliation. No more manual matching or confusion. Quick GST filing with accurate reports and compliance support. Automated accounting, journal entries, ledgers, everything handled. Smooth payroll processing with salary calculations, deductions, and payslips. Simple expense tracking with proper categorization for better control. Real-time financial reports like profit and loss and balance sheets. Multi-user access so your team can collaborate easily. Cloud-based access. Manage finances anytime, from anywhere. Finally, strong data security with encryption and automatic backups. This means fewer errors, better cash flow, save time, and complete financial control, all while your business scales smoothly. So if you're tired of accounting chaos and want a smarter way to manage your finances, it's time to switch to Upkeep by Wezoid. Get started today and take full control of your business finances.